It's easy to find your spark in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where smart industrial solutions and high-end electrotechnical products come to life in the hands of talented innovators such as those at Iskra, a globally recognized provider of the most crucial system components for various industries on every continent of the world. For 75 years, Iskra has been the biggest knowledge hub in the region and the creator of advanced solutions for intelligent automation of public infrastructure, energy efficiency, and home and industry management.
We focus on sustainability in everything we do in order to create long-term value. That is why we continuously invest in expanding our production capacities, automating our production, and digitizing our processes. Our smart and eco-friendly products reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve the existing applications of our clients. Our innovative solutions and responsible business practices allow us to drive sustainability across the value chain. With that in mind, we are determined to lower our annual carbon emissions by over 845 tons of CO2.
From the developer of the first switchgear in 1947 to the innovator of smart components with a sustainable impact, Iskra's effort to reduce its carbon footprint and optimize energy efficiency proves that progress and environmental health can and will evolve hand in hand. With breakthrough devices such as the encrypted smart energy meters, which enforce safety standards in electric vehicle charging stations, Iskra is co-creating the future of e-mobility. And by being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the remarkable Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Light up your vision in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.